to protect the glasses. I did not feel like getting myself together, putting on makeup or anything like that to try these on. Plus, I think a lot of people have seen that before. I really want to see like what are the quality of the frames and the lenses. So here's the first pair. It's a decent little box. See the possibilities. Oh, I think these are my heart ones. Already, before I even open it up, it does feel pretty sturdy in my hands. You know, you can tell that feeling of like super cheap glasses. And these are the heart frames. I do wear prescription. It's not that strong. You can see how thick. And I did select the least expensive option, which I think is 1.5 or 1.59. This is the Amore style. So cute. Can't wait to wear these. Excuse my nails. When I fold them out, I mean, I would definitely say these feel like they are worth the price that I paid for them. I'm gonna definitely have to try them on and see how, you know, the nose pads fit, because that is one difference buying something like this online. You don't have the benefit of like being in the store and having them adjust the sizing for you and things like that. But I would say just on first impressions, the first pair, the Amore heart lenses, heart frames, feel like they're really good quality. I feel like they're worth it. Right, next up we have the box is made from recycled materials. I could definitely tell, you know, that feeling that recycled stuff has. You can just kind of tell, or maybe it's just me. I saw another reviewer say that the bags could be used as cleaners too. I can see that, I can dig it. All right, these are the Saint Michel. I am really impressed with the quality of these, like, because we've probably all seen like this sort of style of glasses, you know, in the optometrist office or wherever you buy glasses in person in a physical store. And these are solid, like really good quality. They have a nice weight to them without feeling heavy, and they don't feel like they would easily be broken. That detail right there with the screws and the hinges. I mean, this we've probably all seen, or even if you wear glasses, you've been there where you have issues with your glasses getting loose right there, or just literally snapping off. So the fact that for this really inexpensive pair of glasses, there's that level of care put into it, I like that. Right, moving right along. Chillax. You got to chillax. Some of these pairs I did not do the blue light, and some of them I did. The Chillax was one that I did purchase, the blue light, because I can see myself wearing these a lot more. I think the clear frames are quickly becoming like a hipster item, but do what you will with trends. I'm throwing this one out, throwing the baby out with the bathwater. I'm going to wear these because I love the style. So what if people say, whatever they say about clear frames? What do they know? They probably need glasses and don't wear them because they're trying to be cool. So how cool is that? How weird is that? All right, last but not least, somebody's gonna grind me up in the comments like, this is not edited, you're wasting our time. Oh my God, I love these so much. There was a YouTuber who reviewed these. It was the first, like, I was in my cart and not sure, you know, if I wanted to get another pair for free shipping purposes, and I went ahead and did it. Up close, the quality on these is so great. And these also have the blue light. I'm putting these on now. All right, man, I hope this helps someone. I might be back later to show what they look like on.